Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aries, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, Aries. So these are for your general energies, Aries. These cards are for your relationship and these cards are for your career situation, guys, Aries. And I'll be picking one card from the Angel Oracle Guidance. So this is the card for you all. That will be a general guidance, guys. It may answer your questions or doubts you have in your situation, guys, Aries. So let's start with these cards here for your general energies. We have Ace of Cups in reverse, Page of Cups in reverse, and Two of Wands in reverse. So in your situation, guys, Aries, it may be in your career situation or in your relationship. Maybe for some of you, there are people who are not telling you the truth. They are hiding something. They may be, give you twisted truth or something. They may avoid telling you certain things to make you go in a particular way or make certain decisions. So they are trying to manipulate you subtly, guys, but by not telling you the truth. And you are also seeing some delays and obstacles in your circumstances, guys, in your work situation or in your relationship, maybe, guys. And you feel really stressed and worried, sad because of things not going as you expected for you. And maybe even in your it may be in your career situation, whatever you had hoped for, something which you love to do maybe, and you would have hoping for that new beginning or something which you are really passionate about. So all that is changing to some kind of it's taking a negative turn, guys. So all that you had hoped for is not reaching you today, and your expectations are gone and you feel really stressed because of that. Maybe you made tremendous efforts today, guys, but that is what you are seeing today in your situation. But there is also some kind of luck working for you, guys, Aries, because I also see that there is some kind of a surprise waiting for you. So it may be a surprise in your career situation or in your relationship. So let's see what are the cards for your relationship first, guys. So we have Eight of Cups in reverse, Ace of Swords in reverse, and Eight of Wands in reverse. So in this relationship, in this love, maybe you love this person and you are having a level of understanding, but this person is arguing with you or fighting with you, or you are arguing or fighting with them. The reason maybe for some of you, you would have done some mistakes and you would have confessed it to this person. So your mistakes may be the reason for them arguing with you, and they feel they cannot trust you anymore, guys. They feel that they cannot rely on you. Maybe you were you have broken their trust, and it is really difficult for them to make them see that you still love them and you want them. So your mistakes or their mistakes, and they are quite guilty if they have not revealed their mistakes. They are having a guilty consciousness, and that is not allowing them to be in a what to say, in a total committed relationship with you. So their guilty conscience is killing them, guys, and that may be the reasons for troubles in your relationship. Maybe this person cannot cheat you, and since they have done something wrong, they don't want to be with you, so they are trying to avoid you, maybe for some of you. But I also see that for few of you, you are resolving the situation, and you are maybe going for reconciliation. Things may get back to normal once this person reveals what they did and ask your forgiveness, or once you reveal what happened and ask their forgiveness. So it may be vice versa, guys, Aries. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards, Aries, for your relationship. So let's see what are the cards for your career situation. We pick 3 cards again. It's Ace of Pentacles, Queen of Wands, and 6 of Pentacles. So Aries, in your career situation, we are seeing positive changes, guys. You are getting lot of opportunities, offers, something that is taking you towards your lucrative returns or some positive returns. And you are someone who is dedicated, devoted to your work, and you're working hard, making a lot of efforts. And you are also someone people depend on. You are a very reliable, trustworthy person, and you are making lot of efforts, and you are someone who helps others. So people look up to you for your guidance and support. So they see you as someone really good, guys, Aries. So that is what I see with these cards, Aries. So let's see what is the card for your oracle guidance. So that is the general guidance. This is an angel oracle card. So it says let go. So it just means that in our situation, in our life, guys, we are so conditioned to follow trends, try to keep up with others, and entrapped in the cycle of fear and want. And we believe that the possessions we have, the things we have, maybe the house or cars, whatever it is, that is what gives us happiness and fulfillment. But that is not true, guys. That is just preventing us from seeing the true meaning of our lives. Just by sharing and using these possessions to help people, that is what is going to give a deeper meaning to our life and happiness. So the real meaning of our life can only be achieved when we surrender and let go of this attachment we have on our things or people or situation. That is what, this attachment is what is holding us back from fulfilling our life's purpose. So that is what you need to let go today, guys, Aries. And that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.